Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in a Toyota Prius. Drain the engine oil first to prevent spills and use gloves for cleanliness. Start by raising the front with jack stands and confirm the car is stable. Remove the oil fill cap to aid draining, then position the drain pan beneath the oil pan. Replace the drain plug, install a new filter, add fresh 0W20 oil, and check the level with the dipstick. Loosen the drain plug carefully and let the warm oil flow into a drain pan until it slows. Remove the old oil filter, making sure to capture drips and dispose of the filter responsibly. Lightly coat the new filter gasket with fresh oil and hand tighten it securely to the specified torque or snug feel. Reinstall the drain plug with a new washer if needed, tightening to the manufacturer's torque specification to avoid leaks. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making easy car tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're comfortable during garage work and won't slow you down. I've linked the pair in the description along with other deals, so check those out if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Add the manufacturer recommended amount of 0W20 oil, slowly using a funnel to avoid spills. Start the engine for a few seconds to circulate oil, then shut it off and wait 2 minutes for oil to settle in the pan. Recheck the dipstick and add small amounts until the level sits between the low and full marks. Inspect the drain plug and filter area for leaks, lower the car, and record the service for future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.